A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn. To circumscribe a circle, see the figure, and we have to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. AB plus CD, I have to prove it is equal to AD plus BC. See, if you use this simple technique, I think the things will be very simple for you. What is that? I will just tell you. See, I need to prove AB. So what I will do is, see, this is the circle. Here is a quadrilateral ABCD. It touches the circle at point P, Q, R and S. So I can say that from A, external point A, there are two tangents AP and AS. They are drawn to the circle and hence their length will be equal. Similarly, BP and BQ will be equal. CR and CQ will be equal. DR and DS will be equal. So this is the property of the external point, tangents drawn from external points. So how to do it? Let me just say here how I think, the way of my thinking. I want AB. I want AB. So what I need is, I want here AP plus BP. Try to understand the steps. I want, in the left hand side, I want AB, and the AB is equal to AP plus PB. Similarly, I want CD in the left side. If I want CD in the left side, then CR plus DR is required, or I can say DR plus CR is required. In the left hand side, CR plus DR is required in the left hand side, and in the right hand side what is required? AD is there. If it is AD, then in the left hand side what is required is AS and DS. Similarly, BQ and CQ. Now how to manage the things, that is very important. This is a very important technique. This problem has been asked many times in the examination, and I am telling you, this time also it may be asked. So just use the technique that I am telling you. See, I want AB in the left side. So how I will write is AP is equal to AS, because tangent from external point A, tangent from external point A. See, I am getting AP in the left side. Next I will write BP is equal to BQ. So BP is equal to BQ. So again here I will have to write tangent from external point B, BP is equal to BQ. Again I want CR. So I will write here CR is equal to CQ. CR, this is first equation. This is second equation. CR is equal to CQ, third equation. And I hope by this time you understood what is it. Tangent from external point C. Tangent from external point C. Again BR, here DR is equal to DS. Tangent from external point D. So DR is equal to DS. Same technique, what is it? Tangent from external point D. So actually there are 4 points that are outside the circle, and every time you are drawing the tangent, you have to name from where it has been drawn. So AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ, CR is equal to CQ, so DR is equal to DS. Now add these equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3 plus equation 4. Equation 1 plus equation, all equations you add it. So if you add it, see here, you will be getting AP plus BP. Already I have written this step. AP plus BP, CR plus DR. Then here AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. CQ plus DS. What will happen? BQ plus CQ. See here, AS plus DS. AS plus DS is equal to AD, which is already there. BQ plus CQ, it is equal to BC. It is already there. And this already I told you, AP plus BP is equal to AB, and CR plus DR is equal to CD. So if you use this simple technique, you write this step first, then you see that you add in this order, you will be getting the solution. Now on the same lines here, one more problem is there. Prove that a parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Now the problem is very simple. See here, in this case ABCD was a quadrilateral. In this case ABCD is a rhombus, is a parallelogram, and if it is a parallelogram, then opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal. So if ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore I can say AB is equal to CD, AB is equal to CD, and AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Now the same step you have to apply. The same step you have to apply, and the same this position we have to get. What is that you should get? You should get AB plus CD. You should get AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This is compulsory. This you have to get it, and after that we can prove that it's a rhombus. Now I have told you already, if at all you want AB, then you have to write AP is equal to AS. Same, tangent from external point, AP is equal to AS. And children, I think now you know what you should write. Tangent from external point A. Then again BP is equal to BQ. So BP is equal to BQ. Again, I hope you are smart enough to write the reason. Same step. See here, this problem and this problem, they are same. I want AB to in the left side, so I am taking AP equal to AS. BP is equal to BQ. Then again I want CD in the left side, so CR is equal to DR. That means if at all I have to take CR is equal to CQ I have to take. So again CR is equal to CQ. This is third equation, because same thing I have to write, tangent from external point C. Next again DR equal to DS. So DR equal to DS. This I will have to write because tangent from external point D. Now you add all these equations. You add all these equations, then what we will get is AP plus BP, AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. So children, this result already we have come across. Now you will ask her, what is the difference between this and this? Up to this step, no difference at all. From here on, the difference will come. What is the difference? Let us see. AB is equal to CD. So wherever AB is there, I will write here CD. Wherever AB is there, I will write CD. Wherever AD is there, I will write BC. Wherever AD is there, I will write BC. So 1 CD plus 1 CD is 2 CD. 1 BC plus 1 BC is to BC. So that means what? This 2 cancels here. CD is equal to BC. What did I get? What did I get? I got that CD is equal to BC. Children, see here. Already opposite sides are equal. Now I am saying that adjacent sides are also equal. That means ABCD is a parallelogram where all sides are equal. And if ABCD is a parallelogram where all sides are equal, then definitely it has to be a rhombus. So ABCD is a parallelogram where all sides are already AB equal to CD is there, but now we are saying CD is equal to BC. AB equal to CD is there. Now we are saying CD is also equal to BC and BC is also equal to AD. That means ABCD is a parallelogram where all sides are equal, and if it is equal, then it's a rhombus. So therefore I can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram where all sides are equal. Where all sides are equal. Therefore it is a rhombus. So children, remember this step. You want AB, so take AP and BP. You want CD, so take CR and CQ, DR and DS. I have seen many students, what they do is, most of the time the mistake that they commit is, they take AP and AS, next time they take BQ and BP. So the left hand side should be particularly, you should be mentioning AP and BP, and left hand side CR and DR should be there. In the right hand side, BQ and CQ should be there, and DS and AS should be there. Then only this problem becomes very easy. So it's one of the important problems that examinations you may get it in the examinations. So be careful about it, and I am sure it's very simple also. So try to do it many times. You will definitely master on it. So the same problems are there. That's why I put it in the same video, 8th as well as 11th problem.